Look at this thing.
Is there anything waiting there?
Look at that big spinny boy. Damn, guys. I thought it sounded pretty nasty rolling in. It's probably a Mustang, guys. I'm not even gonna flip the camera.
No, I just ran in the ditch.
On a nice set of wheels, look. No top. Well, this would be nice to have a nice gimbal, guys. You see? But that one's surely gonna die on us. So we'll just have to make do with this one. RatZilla. Holy crap, is that the exhaust pipes? Freaking awesome, guys. Awesome, awesome.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.